The truth of Kali Tantra energy and spiritual mysteries. Introduction. In today's modern world, people are curious about ancient spiritual practices, especially Tantra. Kali Tantra Path is a space created to share knowledge about Mahakali worship, Tantra wisdom, and spiritual awareness in a clear and responsible way. This video is not meant to create fear. It is meant to create understanding. What is Kali Tantra? Kali Tantra is not about darkness or superstition. It is a spiritual path connected to energy, discipline, and inner strength. Mahakali represents time, transformation, and truth. Her worship teaches courage, clarity, and protection from negativity. Tantra is the science of understanding energy within and around us. Kali Puja and Sadhana. Kali Puja is performed to gain spiritual balance and mental strength. It includes mantra chanting, meditation, and disciplined living. Kali Sadhana helps a seeker face fear, control emotions, and stay grounded. True sadhana is always guided by awareness, not blind belief. Spiritual energy and fear psychology. Many experiences related to negativity begin with fear. When fear controls the mind, it weakens mental strength. Ancient wisdom explains that awareness and inner stability protect a person. Understanding energy removes fear. This channel explains such topics responsibly, focusing on knowledge and clarity. Mysteries and unseen forces. The world has many things that science is still exploring. Ancient traditions spoke about unseen forces as energy, not horror. Through Kali Tantra Path, we discuss these mysteries with balance and respect. The goal is awareness, not fear. Purpose of this channel. Kali Tantra Path is created to share ancient spiritual knowledge, explain Tantra in a modern and simple way, promote inner strength and protection, remove superstition through understanding. This path is about awakening, not intimidation. True Tantra begins when fear ends. Knowledge brings clarity. Awareness brings strength. Stay connected to learn the deeper truths of spiritual energy and ancient wisdom.